How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually unblock someone on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you happen to block someone for some particular reason, and then if you would like to unblock that person again, all you have to do is go ahead and first make sure to launch a Snapchat application here. And then after you do that, tap the Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen, and then what you want to do from there is again tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, which is the settings cog icon. After you do that, you just scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen, and then you'll find this option here known as blocked. So make sure to tap the blocked option, and then here you'll be able to see all the Snapchatters that you have blocked. Now I have not personally blocked anybody. If you have, then you'll find the cross icon right next to those people, and then you will be able to unblock them if you wish to. This way you will be able to unblock someone on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.